Hi here, I'm Dr. Toyo Morris. I've spent decades caring for older adults. And today, I want to talk to you something simple that can completely transform your ways. In your bones and process. Now, you might already know how a breakfast looks like. As do in your yours area. See who either eat well, but no weekend the bones little by little to the something. Have you ever woken up feeling tired, achy in your joints, or just low on energy, even after a full night's rest? Well, believe it or not, the problem might be right there on your breakfast plate. Don't worry, in a few minutes, I'll walk you through which foods truly put strong bones. I'll give you some easy examples you can start adding tomorrow morning. If you stay with me until the end, I'll reveal lesson on soared, something most people overlook, that holds powerful bone-protecting benefits. Let's get started. We often think of bones as the frame the holds up, and while it's true, there's so much more. Bone-wise move a god one's dense veins is stand tall. As they get older, our bones naturally lose density. That means they become thinner, bone brittle, and forteny, prone to break so factors. Is the good news. A lot of that bone loss can actually be slowed or even prevented with the right foods, especially starting at breakfast. Let me tell you a quick story. A lovely and Carmen, 60 years old, came to see me. She'd already taken 2 small falls that left her some pretty intense pain. She feared was just part of getting older. But I clues for I discovered something surprising. The real problem, her breakfast. Every morning, Carmen was just having coffee and cookies. That's it. No caffeine, no protein, no vitamin D, all which your bones desperately need, especially after 60. So what she thought she was just having a light breakfast, what she was really doing was starving her bones. See, more than having just have good genes on doing exercise, and tosai and daily choices, and one of those things pookie is what you choose to eat when you wake up. Breakfast can either be your body's best medicine, or your bones' worst enemy. Here's the part I really want you to hear. It's never too late to start taking better care of your bones. Even small changes, just a few simple swaps of breakfast, can give your bones the pull they need to stay strong and stable. And yes, you can feel more energized too. Let's talk about a few steps as Searston, and maybe organize yourself in one of these. Mistake number 1. Giving breakfast or eating too little. A cup of coffee and out the door sound familiar. It may feel familiar, but it leaves your bones on few to repair and rebuild. Mistake number 2. Start your day with ultra-processed food. Pasties, white bread, cereals. These foods not only lack nutrition, they can actually increase inflammation and block calcium absorption, and tour sore over town. And it can weaken our bones. Mistake number 3. Avoiding dairy altogether. I mean people cause out all dairy and they don't need anymore, or had a bad reaction once. The truth is, you have to eliminate dairy completely. Sometimes it's just not choosing the right kind and the right amount. Mistake number 4. Or eating fruit to breakfast. Fruit could grade the other to fiber, but if you're not pairing them with protein or healthy fats, your bones miss out on the real nourishment they need. Have you noticed yourself doing any of these things? If so, don't feel bad. You're not alone. In just a moment, I'll share the exact foods that do strengthen your bones and how to combine them in tasty, satisfying ways. And remember, the best part is still coming. I'll tell you about one simple food that almost no one talks about that can make a real difference in protecting your bone strength. All right, now let's talk about what really matters. The foods that can become your greatest allies in protecting your bones. In the good news, most of these foods are easy to find, affordable, and actually taste really good. Let's dive in. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, plain, natural yogurt. It's an excellent source of calcium and protein, which are both essential for keeping bones strong. But that's not all. Yogurt also supports your gut health, which helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Want to make it even better? Try adding a spoonful of chia seeds or handfuls to your yogurt. It's not only delicious, but it becomes a real power recipe for your bone. Next up, eggs. Now, I know some of you might be avoiding eggs because concerns about cholesterol. But hear the short. A whole egg is highly nutritious. It contains vitamin D, a vitamin that helps your body absorb and use calcium the right way. Are you surprised? I've seen people regain strength and energy simply by adding eggs back at their breakfast. Carefully and in moderation. Here's not a secret I love to share. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines. These aren't oil-packed vitamin D. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which support your joints to reduce inflammation, especially important as you get older. And here's something most people don't realize. And sardines, yes, and Thai soft bones are fantastic source of calcium. If you spread them on a slice of whole grain toast with some fresh tomato slices, it makes for a tasty and bone-nourishing breakfast. Now let's talk about nuts, especially walnuts and almonds. It's more mindful breakfast adds healthy fats and poor meals that support bone density. And unlike beans and legumes, a simple serving of hummus with whole grain toast is a great way to change things up while still protecting at bones. It's satisfying for fiber and protein and gives you steady energy through the morning. Before we continue, let me ask you something. Theo's a very common morning drink any people believe is healthy. The matchy behind the bones. That isn't just a morning. So still in me. It's good to fruit, this time combined the right way. Fruits like oranges, kiwis, and strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which your body uses to build collagen, a key part of healthy bones. Here's a perfect bone-loving breakfast idea. A bowl of plain yogurt, a few sliced strawberries, some chopped walnuts, and a sprinkle of plain oats on top. It's simple, it's quick, and it does wonders for your bones. Oh, I don't forget about hydration. A warm glass of water with lemon in the morning can wake up your digestion and help your body absorb nutrients more effectively throughout the day. Now remember, this isn't about eating more. It's about eating smart. What you put on your plate each morning can truly be the difference between feeling strong or feeling weak. And yes, it's not too late to start. These smart changes like swapping choice cereal for real food can lead to front boat, better bonds, more confident body. You don't do is shit. You eat fancy greens or expensive groceries. What you do eat it too widely and consistently. Here are a few of my favorite ideas. 1. Yogurt bowl with fruit, oats, and nuts. Picture it. A bowl, plain natural yogurt, topped with fresh strawberries, a spoonful of oats, and a few walnuts. It's quick, satisfying, and it gives you bones apart from calcium, vitamin C, fiber, and heavy fats. I'm 1. Fade for D, try tomorrow. 2. Whole grain toast, cow, hide-boiled egg, and chia seeds. This is a great option when you want something savory. You get good fats from the avocado, protein from the egg, fiber from the bread, and minerals from the chia seeds. And best of all, it takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. 3. Spinach omelets with low-fat cheese. Spinach gives you magnesium, which helps build bone strength, and the cheese adds calcium, plethil comforting every bite. 1. Filling and bone-friendly. 4. Sweet Tooth Dry Smoothie. You can blend milk or a calcium-fortified plant-based option. Banana, a few almonds, a dash of cinnamon. It's creamy, naturally sweet, and gives you lasting energy, along with nutrients your bones will thank you for. Now let's talk about that common morning habit I mentioned earlier. Coffee. Now, done morning. I mentioned Tilly to gill it up. I enjoy my cap too. But here's what you need to know. When you drink too much coffee, especially on an empty stomach, it can interfere with how your body absorbs calcium. So if you're having multiple cups before eating anything health, you might be unknowingly weakening your bones over time. My advice? Don't ditch the coffee. Just balance it. Hide with a nourishing breakfast, one clean protein and calcium, so your bones get what they need to stay strong. One more thing on to my do. You don't need to eat the same breaking every day. In fact, variety is key to good nutrition, especially as we age. One day, try yogurt with berries. Next day, toast with avocado and egg. Another day, a spinach omelet or a smoothie. This way, your bones get a wide range of nutrients, and you don't get bored. Because let's be honest, we've all fallen into that breakfast rat, haven't we? Eating thing over and over, just because it's easy. And the bones, they crave different vitamins and minerals every single day. So go ahead, rotate your favorites, keep it simple, and listen to your body. You don't have to overhaul your life. Just start with breakfast. Choose foods that build you up, not weigh you down. And you recognize yourself in any of these habits today, that's okay. When is the first step to change? So tomorrow morning, when you reach for something to eat, mumbleth, you're just feeling your hunger, you food, you breaks. You protecting your bones, you gears with a better down and a better future. On Dr. Talyama. Thank you for being here and for taking care of yourself. And if you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. What's your go-to breakfast? Let's share ideas and support each other. And by the way, if you've been enjoying this content so far, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. Every week I share simple, effective tips or design one goal to help older adults stay healthy, strong, and independent. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Because in just a moment, I'm going to share the single most important piece of advice I can give you when it comes to protecting your bones long term. So stay with me until the end. I want you to walk away from this video feeling informed, confident, and ready to take control of your health starting tomorrow morning. If today's topic has sparked your interest, I'd love to know what of the breakfast ideas we talked about would you like to try first. Are you more sweet or savory kind of person in the morning? Leave me a comment. I truly enjoy your share. Do my best to reply to every message. Also, have the thought of your life. May parent, friend, or neighbor who could do with this video, tease glad to share with them. Sharing health is one of the kindest gifts you can give. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our weekly videos. This is a community we're building here, a place where we learn, support each other, and grow stronger together. Step by step. Breakfast by breakfast.
Now,
before we wrap up, let's finally talk about that one common beverage that may be doing more harm than good, especially when it comes to your bones. That drink is coffee. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not telling you to give it up. You can absolutely enjoy your morning coffee, but here's the key. Too much coffee, especially if you drink it without food, can interfere with calcium absorption. So coffee is your breakfast. Today, your bones may be in support they need. The truth is the quick coffee. It's too bouncy. But if you lost the nutrient wheat meal that give bones calcium, protein, and healthy fat. And now you've all to bite. Start treating your breakfast as a daily investment in your health. Every bite counts. Every morning's a new opportunity to protect your bones. If your body energy and move with great ease and confidence. It's never too late to begin. Maybe to all you thought the breakfast could play such a big role in bone health, but now you do. Says Mar, and you sit down to eat, don't. Think about your balls. Think about your well-being. Think about the life you want to keep enjoying with energy, freedom, and strength. And make your choices from there. I'm Dr. Talia Mars, and I'll be here every week. With more guidance, real examples, and the kind of motivation that meets you right where you are. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If this you've been helpful to you, share it with someone you love, someone whose bones you want to protect. And always remember, the based on the story. Alright now. Take care of your bones. Take care of your health. Take care of your life. I see there is you.